Okay, so I bought a Tudor watch from Finland a few days ago, and it flew from Helsinki, Finland, to Cologne, Germany, to Louisville, Kentucky, and then up to Chicago. So it's out for delivery. So, knowing these delivery companies, you better not take an untimely trip to the bathroom or go get a drink of water or anything. So, I think I'm going to hang out here for a little bit and maybe have a cigar. That'll be a beautiful thing. Anyway, I have a Tudor Hydronaut II, reference 20060 in for a black dial, and it's heading on its way from Finland. And must be a pretty rare watch, because on Chrono 24 you have like 1,200 Rolex Submariners, so those are not very rare. Just everybody wants to sell one for above retail price. But this model of the Tudor Hydronaut II, which was made between 2009 and 2013, there was only 5 of them on Chrono 24. So here I am waiting on it, and hopefully it'll be in today. We shall see.
And here's my husband taking his brand new Tudor II out of the case.
Okay. So
he had to pay tariffs on it too.
Oops. Okay.
That's kind of crazy. It came all the way from Finland.
So,
can you do a Finland accent?
I don't know what it is. Ooh, look.
Ooh, look.
It's the modern.
Let's hone in there.
It's the modern Tudor bracelet.
Okay, look at how scratched up it is. I wished I had a camera in his face when I said that. There is a big red line on the other side though. It's a big red line.
Yeah, right there.
Look, it's right here. I'll show you. It's a big red line. Look. Look. Show me the... Turn it this way. See that big red line? It's moving. Oh, that's the third hand.
That's the second hand.
No, there's 1, 2, and that's the third one.
Yeah, it's a 3-hander and the date.
Ah.
So I'm going to have to get links because it's made for little people.
My husband has an 8-inch wrist, and he makes sure that everybody knows it all the time. I can't fit this on my 8-inch wrist because he's got a big head. You know what they say about people with big wrists? They need big bracelets. They need extra links.
All right.
So this is his Tudor. He's very happy. He's been waiting all day.
I've been waiting weeks.
All right, so you want me to try it on my wrist so you can see what it looks like on an arm?
Well, let's do a little winding and setting.
Okay, he's going to wind and set. Okay, so how do you wind the watch?
Okay, so
We're going to zoom in.
It's a Rolex triple lock crown. It has 3 dots on it, which is something that Rolex makes. So now that it popped out the first time, you can hand wind it about 10 times.
Okay.
Now, what's the date? Oop, okay. Now you pull it all the way out. The second hand stops. It's called hacking.
The third hand.
The second hand, whatever.
It's the third hand.
One in, and the date should go.
And today is the
third. So I'm going to put it on the 2, and then I'm going to pop it for the last one.
It's like a little child.
And circle the hands.
Look, Virginia, there is a Santa Claus.
And then
he came all the way from Finland with a watch for you.
And then it's going to go right here, and it's going to snap.
Okay, wait. Snap.
When it's midnight.
Okay, wait. Snap. Wait, it hasn't snapped yet. Wait, it's going to snap.
Bam.
Did it snap?
Yes.
I didn't hear it.
It did.
I didn't hear it. Make it do it again.
No. Now we go past noon.
He's looking at his other watch, which is right there.
That's the Hamilton.
That's Mr. Hamilton. Was he in that play on Broadway?
No.
Okay.
Okay. What time is it?
It is according to my Apple Watch.
The number one.
Minnie. Let's ask Minnie what time it is. Hold on.
Oh boy. Wait. Oh yeah, I need links. Oh my God, yes.
It's 3:30. Good afternoon.
It's 3:30. Good afternoon.
1 or 2 links.
Let's see.
Anyway, you want to?
Here.
Okay.
Put it on my wrist.
Duck. Okay, hand up. Oh. Okay.
Okay. This is
There you go.
there. Look. Let me get my sleeve out of the way. There you go. That's what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. The Tudor Hydronaut II, series number 0094739821177703.
What are you talking about?
64415003.
That would be an Omega.
Oh, I'm just making up numbers like you guys do.
I don't make them up.
Okay, but
Okay.
it sounds like you're making them up.
Okay,
This
there we go.
is the Tudor Hydronaut II. What is it called? Series number
20060.
20060
And N for a black dial.
and N for a black dial.
Yep. Noir.
Noir.
Black.
Noir.
Yes.
And it's not fragile.
So I think I better take that to the authorized dealer.
So he's going to take this to an authorized dealer and get it checked out.
Okay.
But there you go, ladies and germs. We have the new Tudor watch. And there's the box. Oh, the box.
That's crazy.
The box. All right, that's all for us. Sleeze ya later. Say bye, honey.
Bye. Bye, hon.